Hey, MindSparkers! Ever feel like your sentences are missing some magic? Well, today, we're unlocking the power of adjectives, those awesome words that bring life and color to everything. Get ready, because you're about to become an adjective expert. What are adjectives? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us more about how something looks, feels, or even tastes. Examples: a simple apple, red apple. A generic car, fast car. A plain cake, delicious cake. Think of your favorite food. How would you describe it? Tell me in the comments. The power of adjectives. Descriptive adjectives: the ocean is deep and blue. Comparative adjectives: this burger is bigger than the one I had yesterday. Superlative adjectives: this is the best movie I've ever watched. Feeling-based adjectives: she looked nervous before her speech. Fun adjective challenge. Now it's your turn. Let's play Finish the Sentence. Add an adjective to complete these sentences. The puppy ran across the yard. My birthday cake was. That roller coaster was the last one. Please comment your answers. Adjective quiz. Are you ready for a quick quiz? I'll show you a sentence with a missing adjective, and you fill in the blank. Sentence 1. The sun rose over the mountains. Sentence 2. She wore a dress to the party. Sentence 3. The movie was, and I loved every second. That's it for today's adjective adventure. Now, I want you to try using adjectives in your daily conversations and writing. Subscribe for more fun lessons, and let's keep learning together.